Welcome to activity 5 from any number, but a little bit harder. We're going to do the activity the same as before. We're going to flick the spinner, split the set of steps after the number spun, but then we're going to cover all of the other numbers that came before. So the only number you'll be able to see is the number that matches the spinner. You could use your hand or a little reading book. I'm going to use a piece of paper that I have folded in half. Take a piece of paper, place it so that the shorter edges are at the top and the bottom. Pop a holder hand on the top of the piece of paper, pick up the bottom, fold it up to the top, take your holder hand out, put your holder hand on and squash it. And that is about the right size piece of paper. Okay, so Karis, you can open your eyes and can you start counting?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Great, now we're going to swap. I'll close my eyes. Open my eyes. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now it's your turn.